At Quantum Fiber, we're on a mission to help you keep your life and your home connected, including connecting you to the latest smart home devices, like smart kitchens. So, we're whipping up everything you need to make the ultimate smart kitchen, starting with a mesh Wi-Fi system. The most important ingredient in your smart kitchen is a fast and reliable internet connection. With a mesh Wi-Fi network, you can extend the strongest available Wi-Fi signal to any room in your home, including your kitchen. What's next on your shopping list? A smart home hub. With a smart home hub, you can control all your smart kitchen devices and their apps in one place. You can get everything working together without taking up space on your phone. What else does every smart chef need? A sous chef. With the help of a voice assistant, you can easily add to your grocery list, turn on appliances, or look up recipes while keeping hands-free to cook. They can even help you shop for appliances. While smart kitchen appliances can be expensive, they're also worthwhile investments because they use less energy and they're more sustainable overall. So, which appliances should you choose? The most popular smart kitchen appliances include smart fridges, smart ovens, smart microwaves, smart coffee machines, smart slow cookers, and smart air fryers. Whatever you choose to add to your smart kitchen, Quantum Fiber can help you keep it connected and secure. So, for more smart home ideas, visit explore.quantumfiber.com.